Welcome, in front of me is REALME 9 and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. For me, it looks like it's on the second page right over here. So once you locate it, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the default settings of it are, or you can hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize all the options for it. Now, once you have customized them, you don't have to come back here again. And whenever you want to use your mode, just find it, tap on a toggle, select turn on, and as you can see, it is right now running. Now, once you're done with it, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again and tapping on it once more. So there we go. That is how you can use and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.